Shandong Huanxu Bearing Company Limited, established in 2015 and certified with IATF 16949, is a trusted global leader in high-performance bearing solutions, redefining precision engineering for the automotive and truck industries. We specialize in automotive wheel hub bearings and units, meticulously crafted to deliver smooth, dependable performance for passenger cars and heavy-duty trucks, ensuring safety, efficiency, and comfort across urban roads, highways, and rugged terrains. Our deep groove ball bearings, celebrated for their versatility, durability, and high-speed efficiency, power critical automotive and truck components, such as engines, transmissions, and auxiliary systems, while also supporting industrial machinery with unmatched reliability. Additionally, our tapered roller bearings are engineered to withstand the most demanding heavy-duty applications, providing exceptional strength for trucks and industrial equipment. Leveraging decades of expertise and cutting-edge technology, we deliver tailored solutions that seamlessly integrate into your operations, enhancing functionality and extending service life in challenging environments. Our state-of-the-art laboratory conducts rigorous testing for roughness, metallography, load capacity, and vibration resistance, ensuring every bearing surpasses international standards and performs flawlessly under extreme conditions. Trusted by clients in over 60 countries with an annual output exceeding $10 million, our modern facilities combine advanced automation and precision craftsmanship to deliver scalable, reliable production for global markets. Shandong Huanxu is dedicated to forging enduring partnerships, providing innovative bearings that reduce downtime, boost productivity, and empower automotive and truck businesses to excel in competitive industries. Our relentless commitment to quality, advanced materials, and customer-focused innovation sets new benchmarks in bearing technology, driving efficiency and sustainable growth. Visit our website to connect with our expert team and discover how Shandong Huanxu's high-performance bearing solutions can transform your operations, powering a future of reliability and success.